Braised ribs in sauce. It's like we were cooking all day, but we weren't. Baby back ribs are gonna work beautiful for this. You wanna portion them, 2 bones apiece. Baby backs have more meat and less fat, making them ideal for this dish. A heavy steel bottom pan is preferred for roasting. The usual suspects, keep them whole though. Season simply with salt, always lots of fresh cracked pepper, dried oregano, some good olive oil, and give everything a good toss. And we're going to sneak in a head of garlic in foil while we go in for the first stint. It's roasty and smells good. That roasted garlic's good. Deglaze with white wine. I prefer white because it's more delicate for this. Couple cans of tomatoes. This reminds me of Sunday sauce. Cover those tightly with foil. Those are going back in to get tender. See the bone pulling away? Those are tender. The idea is to capture all this sauce. Remember that roasted garlic? You're going to want to add that. And a stick blender will make this smooth quickly. Beautiful. In restaurants, we make the sauce ahead, then bloom them for service with fresh garlic and pepperoncino, or not. And because we added dried oregano earlier, fresh oregano is going to sizzle along with it. Once your garlic's golden brown, add your sauce. Oh yeah, that's not going to suck. Now all that needs is pasta, or better yet, gnocchi. And sure, it's good, but with a scoop of ricotta, it's going to be perfect. See how it turns it all creamy and pink? That's going to be f***ing delicious. Now to me, it's all about the contrast. Gnocchi and ribs, and the contrast is more of that base sauce. Pecorino Romano is the only thing you need now. Yep.
That tastes like you slaved all day. Well, I mean, falls off the bone.
Oh.
Tastes like an all-day thing, but it wasn't. Tastes like you got a Nona in your kitchen.
Ever since I was a kid, this has always been my favorite piece of meat in the gravy.
That sauce be good on everything.